Welcome to Drew Tutorials. I'm Andrew, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money, ridiculous money, with ChatGPT. Now, if you want to know how you can make money with ChatGPT using this idea, as you can see on my screen here, I'm in YouTube, right? And we just chose the story niche, right? So if we go ahead and we type something like horror stories, right, you'll see a bunch of channels here who are creating stories, and you can use some of these ideas to make your stories. Now look at this channel here. We will click on a couple of these channels, right, and you will get the idea of the amount of money you can make using this crazy idea from ChatGPT. Now let me go ahead and choose one of these channels, or a few of these channels. Let's try this one and let's plug it into Social Blade and let's see how it's doing. Look at how this is crazy. Over 30,000 guys. This channel is making, look, almost $1,000 a day. This channel is making scary stories. That's crazy. Let's have a look at another one. Let's have a look at this story channel here. Yeah, let's close that. Let's try again this channel. Almost 4,000 a month. Very good, right? This channel is having over $100 a day. Let's jump over to my computer screen so I can show you step by step how to do this. Now, as you can see, I'm on the dashboard here of ChatGPT. And the niche that I'm going to bring to you for YouTube with ChatGPT today is stories. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so with ChatGPT. Now, as you can see, I'm in the dashboard here of ChatGPT, right? And let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT to give us some story categories or some stories niche. Let's do so. So as you can see, I've typed here to ask ChatGPT to give me 10 stories categories, right? Let's do so. And as you can see, it's giving me some story categories: historical, horror, mystery, adventure, and so forth. Now I'll go ahead and choose one of them. And if you would like to see more, you can just simply ask ChatGPT to give me 10 more. So let's even try that. Give me 10 more. You know, and it will go ahead and it will find more niche for us. Look at that. It's really good. And what I'm going to do here, guys, now that ChatGPT have given me some niches, I'm just going to choose one. And let's go ahead and choose, let's say, horror, for example, or thrill. Let's choose the horror, right? And I will say, give me 10 horror stories. Let's see what it's going to do. Here it's giving me 10 horror stories here, guys. Look at that. It's finding the stories and giving me a little idea what they're about, right? And I could even tell ChatGPT to even give me 10 more. It will definitely do so for sure. Now guys, you see ChatGPT give me the 10 stories ideas there, right? Now what I'm going to do is just take one of those titles and ask ChatGPT, tell the story in full. In full details. Let's put it like that. Enter. Let's watch ChatGPT tell us the story. No, ChatGPT is just writing out the story like that, and it's really cool. Now if ChatGPT is writing the story for you guys and you feel like it's short, you can always ask ChatGPT to explain in more details. In this case, I think the length is good, but I would like to have the story a bit more interesting. So let's tell ChatGPT now to rewrite this story and make it more catchy, or make it more epic, or make it more engaging. Let's try that. Yeah, rewrite the story and make it more exciting. Now it's doing that. So the story is gonna be even more exciting as it is. Wow, and ChatGPT is actually making the story very, very long. You can see I have my full story here. ChatGPT have done a really good job to write that story for me. Now, guys, once you have your story, all you need to do is, take your story that you have and you will need to translate this to get like an audio. What you need to do is go ahead and take this story and get an audio for it. Now, how are we gonna do this? One easy way how to do this, and to do this for free, we can use an editing tool called CapCut. And there are so many tools out there. You can use Murph.ai, you can use 11 Labs, but my favorite here today is CapCut. So I'm gonna translate a part of it. I'm not gonna do the entire story, but I'm gonna give you an idea how to do the full step so that you can start making crazy money. Now, let me go ahead and open up my CapCut tool. I'm gonna create a new project here. Now, as you can see, I'm in CapCut right here, right? And let me go ahead and just take a part of my story. Let's go ahead and choose part of the story here. And let's open up again this CapCut. And to use CapCut text to speech, you just want to go over here to text here. Then select text here and go ahead, and on the right hand side here you will see where it has the default text. Let's go ahead and put in our text. And here you can see text to speech. Let's go ahead and click that. And there are so many different voices there that you can choose from. One of my favorite for the storytelling is to use like a female or a male storytelling voice. In this case, we will use the lady. Let's go ahead and try that.
In the heart of Crestfallen Grove, a neighborhood shrouded in mystery, loomed the ominous Blackwood Manor, a forsaken mansion that whispered secrets of darkness and despair. Its decaying facade masked a history of unspeakable horrors that
Guys, that sounds really good. And we can even try the male one. Let's hear the male one.
In the heart of Crestfallen Grove, a neighborhood shrouded in mystery, loomed the ominous Blackwood Manor, a forsaken mansion that whispered secrets of darkness and despair. Its decaying facade masked a history of unspeakable horrors that awaited.
That don't sound too bad as well, but I'm going to go ahead and choose the female option, and I'm going to use the start reading button here, and this will convert this into a text to speech for me. And look at that, guys. Look at that. I have my audio, and we can go ahead and play it.
In the heart of Crestfallen Grove, a neighborhood shrouded in mystery, loomed the ominous Blackwood Manor, a forsaken mansion that whispered secrets of darkness and despair. Its decaying facade masked a history of unspeakable horrors that awaited those who dared to venture with.
You get it, right? And guys, you're gonna go ahead and do that for the entire story. I will show you a bit more how to do so. So let's go ahead again and take a bit more of this story. And you might be wondering why I have to take just a little bit of the story. The reason is this, guys. CapCut does not allow you to put a whole lot of text into the text-to-speech. So you have to do bit by bit. That's the only drawback. But as I said, it's a free option. It works. The voices sound really cool. And for me, I don't mind. But if you would like to do this in one go, you can try some of the tools. For example, 11 Labs. You can try that tool as well. It can go ahead and translate your full text for you. It's up to you. Now, let's go ahead and translate a bit more of the text. So now at the end of my text here, I'm gonna select this text again, and I will add a bit more text. And you will see it. I'll go ahead and try to do this text to speech, and I will select the lady again, and I will do start reading. Now you see how fast that is, and it will go ahead and it will give me the rest of my audio there. Normally do a bit of adjustment here so that it's not so sudden, but there is a little space between the reading of the text. Let's say I'm done with all of my audio, all of my translation there into audio. You're gonna go ahead and do export. Then you will choose export audio. And let's just take off the video here. We don't want the video, only the audio. And yeah, we'll leave it as that. You can choose your export location. For me, mine is in downloads, and we'll go ahead and export. And that's it. The audio is done. As you can see, I have the audio here, and I will go ahead now and hear what the audio sound like.
In the heart of Crestfallen Grove, a neighborhood shrouded in
Not so bad, right?
loomed the ominous Blackwood Manor, a forsaken.
Sound very good. The next step, now that we have our audio, we're gonna need to create a video for this, and we can do so within CapCut. But in this case, I'm gonna show you how to use Canva to go ahead and create your video. Now let me go ahead and close out of this real quick, and let me open up Canva tool. I believe I have Canva open somewhere here. Let's open up Canva. All right, and I'm gonna create a new video. So let's go ahead and create videos. So videos, and let's go ahead and choose, we need the blank video. So let's go ahead and choose that. And for this video, we're gonna make it a bit simple. We're gonna use a picture, and we're gonna give it like an overlay to make it look really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and find a picture. And as I said, it's a horror story, right? Let's just jump back to the story here, and it says Shadow of Blackwood Manor, right? Now guys, let's look for a picture here in Canva that has to do with something horror in the woods or something like that. So we can try that. Let's type scary. And for example, this picture don't look too bad. I think I could try this picture, and that's good. And that's not so bad. And I will need to have my audio, right? So let me go ahead and head over to uploads here. If you're looking on the left hand side, you will find the uploads button. Let's go ahead and do so. And I need to find my audio, so I'm gonna upload my audio here. Now you see my audio is ready, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and drag my audio onto the timeline here, and I will stretch it out until all my audio is ready. Now, depending on the length of the story, it can be so long or it can be so short. It's up to you. And if you're doing like multiple stories, you just need to upload all your audios and then arrange them in the order that you would like. Now, in this case, I will just stop it right here. And if I will play it, now if I play it, you will hear how it sounds.
A neighborhood shrouded in mystery loomed the ominous Blackwood Manor.
It's okay, but we can make it a bit better. And to do so, I'm gonna go ahead and add an overlay to this, and you will see how easy that is to do within Canva. Now to add an overlay, let's head over to elements here in the top left side. And we can do something like, let's use something like snow. We will try that. It depends on what you will feel like is best to make it, to bring it alive or to make it look a bit more scary. You can choose. Now now to find the snow, let's go under the videos section here and do more. Let's say see all. And let me choose something that looks not bad. This may be good. Let's go ahead and choose that. Now to add your overlays, you don't want to drag it onto the canvas and to cover the full thing. You want to slowly drag it over and then do your adjustment. Now once you adjust that, all you have to do is go ahead and play around with the transparency and turn that down so you can see the image in the background. And look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's not bad, right? It actually looks really good. And that's all it is. So now if I go ahead and play now my video.
In the heart of Crestfallen Grove, a neighborhood shroud.
It don't look too bad. It looks actually good. It actually brings it alive, guys. And that's really nice. Now, if let's say I'm finished my video, and I do the entire story and I laid out everything within Canva, As I said, this is one way. You can also use like video clips within Canva. So you can always like go to videos here and search for some interesting video clips, and you can substitute the picture for videos, right? So that's up to you, but that's an easy way how to go ahead and do so. But once you finish with your video, you can go ahead and click share in the top right side, then downloads, and you can go ahead and download as an MP4, and you can choose the quality 1080p, or if you can also export as 4K. In our case, let's do the 1080p, and this video will download, take a minute to download. Once this video is downloaded, guys, I'm gonna go back to CapCut again, and I'm gonna show you how to add subtitles to your videos within CapCut to also bring this alive. And this is optional, but at least it could bring it alive more, your video, so that people can read along on the screen as they watch. Now guys, as you can see, my video is finished downloading, and what I'm gonna do now is head back to CapCut, and now I'm in the CapCut. I'm gonna add my video, so let me go ahead and upload my video here, and I'm gonna just drag my story here onto the timeline. Now guys, now you can see that I have my story here finished translating in Canva. I'm gonna show you here how to add subtitles to your stories after you finish creating them in Canva, or if you create them here inside CapCut. Now what you want to do now, guys, you want to go to the front of your video here, and you want to go over to text, and here on the auto caption you want to go ahead and click auto caption, and then click create. What this is going to do is just listen to your audio and create the text version for it. And this is pretty fast. You can see that I have my text there. You will see it.
In the heart of Crestfallen Grove, a neighborhood shrouded
And
in
what we can do now, being that the text don't look so good, we can go ahead and play around with the text, the colors, the font, etc. Now, over to the right hand side here, let me go ahead and choose a different font. This one don't look so bad. Let's go ahead and choose something a bit nicer. Well, yeah, I think we can use this one, and we can play around with the size. I think this one is good too, and we can perhaps position in the center here. Yeah, somewhere like about that. And yeah, let's go ahead and test it now.
In the heart of Crestfallen Grove, a neighborhood shrouded in mystery.
And guys, if you'd also like to play around with the animation here of your text, you can do so as well. Let's go under animations here, and you can choose in. I think I will choose this one. Under CapCut, guys, if you decide to use CapCut and you realize that whatever animation you would like to choose, it's not there, just go ahead and click the download button there, and this will download the animation for you. And likewise, if you would like to do the outro as well, you can do the same if it's not yet downloaded.
Mansion.
And yeah, that's how easy it is, guys. Now let me go ahead and play.
In the heart of Crestfallen Grove, a neighborhood shrouded in mystery, loomed the ominous Blackwood Manor, a forsaken mansion that whispered secrets of darkness and despair.
That's not bad, but I believe I would like to have something a bit more simple. You know what I mean? So in that case, I think we can just leave it without any animation. Let's see how that looks, if it's fine. We don't want to overdo it. That's okay. I think the simplicity does it. Let's put it like that. And yeah, once you're finished with your entire story, guys, you need to go ahead and export your video. You want to make sure that the video is checked at this time, and not the audio. You'll go ahead and you click export, and this will export your video. Then you just need to head over to your YouTube channel and upload this video. If you find some value in this video, guys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see much more videos coming out every week like this one.